My name is Patty Ziółkowska and I'm quality engineer at Singer. What attracted me to Singer is their motto, everything is important. This is very unique approach in the business, and this is in the Singer culture. We see this motto on the walls. We talk about this every day. Every little details, every little thing matters in this business. We are one big group of people and we are important to each other as well. I work for Singer almost 2 years. I've started my role as a quality inspector. My journey at Singer was challenging at the time, and it's still challenging, but it's also rewarding. Singer is seeing the potential internally and they try to believe in their people and give them opportunities to grow. I really appreciate Singer for that. The most rewarding part of my job is seeing the complete built vehicles. We work with them for months, years. We look at them, work with them every day, and then the car will come to life. We can watch the car driving, we can hear the car performing, we can see the quality we deliver in, and I think this is giving you motivation for the next projects, and that's very rewarding. The team is built with people with passion. We've got very skilled technicians. What makes Singer different is that our products, it's unique, so there is no product which is always the same. I've never seen anything like this. If you're applying for Singer, we advise to not be scared to apply, to not be afraid if your CV do not match all the requirements. It's all about the passion and it's all about the attitude you can bring to the business.